I'm Bob Eells. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Convex North America Insurance Services. So I'd say the challenges are different than most organizations. So we weren't trying to fix a problem. We were trying to get ahead of a problem. We were building an organization from the ground up. So we were looking at bringing on technology and resources to help us solve our problems going forward. So we had no legacy that we were trying to fix. We were looking for a partner who would be able to provide backroom services, support. So working with an offshore service to provide submission intake, quote, binder processing, policy issuance, endorsement processing. Since then, we've grown our relationship with Resource Pro to include a bunch of other things, including surplus lines reporting and premium audit services. Convex has an interesting model where we try and outsource as much of our support as we can. So we hire where we need to, we buy resources where we can. What Resource Pro has allowed us to do is to create an environment where we're able to grow the environment pretty quickly as our organization grows. So we grew from a $0 operation in 2022 to a $150 million operation last year. So we've been able to scale the operation pretty quickly with Resource Pro support in the back end of that. So we went through a pretty hefty evaluation of a number of service providers. And at the end of the day, what we realized is that Resource Pro was strictly an insurance operation. So only providing insurance support in the market, which we really liked. We really like the model that resources are onboarded, employees are hired at Resource Pro, which is really a very similar process to the way that we operate at Convex. We also like that we're able to have a great relationship with the resources at Resource Pro in India. So it's not just the back office support for us. We actually have a relationship with that team in India and the management team in the US. Our favorite part of working with Resource Pro is the interpersonal relationship that we have with the team. Again, they're not just people sitting behind a wall doing work for us. They're actually people that we know. We've been in their shop. We spend a lot of time. We meet regularly with the team. If you're an insurance operation, I think that it's key to have an operation in the back that absolutely knows and only does insurance. It's vital to us. It's proven to give us the right level of support. It's proven that they're the right resources. Again, we've been able to grow it pretty quickly with very minimal impact on the business. Our business doesn't even know day to day who's doing the support behind the scenes. The operations team has that relationship. And we've actually engaged Resource Pro with some premier resources that actually come to our business meetings with our operations people in the US. So they sit in our team meetings with the operations team and the LOB, the lines of business team.